Hello again. This is Math 2270 coming to you from the College of DuPage. And this is called LSA, a deeper hint in a longer runway. As always, please be attentive listeners while watching these videos. By way of introduction, some students have struggled with the recent LSA. Although the hint provided was correct and useful, as you will see, it is likely that some students at least can benefit from a deeper hint, and so this video provides such a hint. And in fairness, I will extend the LSA due date until after the midterm. Do well on the midterm and then you can finish the LSA. Now, the current hint in the problem says the independent variable t does not appear in the differential equation, so it is helpful to make the substitution v equal ds dt, and that is helpful. That is a good hint. But let's take a deeper dive. So here's some general discussion. So to solve an equation of the form y double prime equal f of y prime, in which the independent variable x is missing, you can make a substitution that w equal dy dx, yielding, and this is via the chain rule. So you see the second derivative of y with respect to x is just the first derivative of w with respect to x. And using the chain rule, that could be written as dw dy times dy dx. But dy dx is w, so this is w times dw dy. So thus, our original differential equation is now equivalent to a pair of differential equations. And so what we can say is that instead of being y double prime, we can call that w dw dy equals f of y. And instead of writing dy dx here, we're putting w. And then the second equation is just the substitution that we made originally. Now, in equation 1, this one, notice that the y plays the role of the independent variable. Hence, solving it yields w of y. Then we can substitute wy into 2, and we obtain a separable differential equation that determines y of x. Now, in our case, the hint was do dv dt, which is the acceleration, is dv ds dt, and ds dt is v. And so this dv dt becomes v dv ds. So you see we've introduced ds into the equation by this substitution, and this can be a deeper hint and can help you. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math, it will make you strong. And now more than ever, take care of yourself, because self-care is important, and of each other, because we're all in this together. God bless.